Roborock's new robot vacuum mop hybrid will not only grab your attention, but also your stray socks. This is the Roborock Saros Z70, and it debuted at CES in Las Vegas after about 7 years in the making. The hybrid RoboVac features a twisting Omni grip appendage that can pick up and move certain small objects out of the way. Roborock calls it the first of its kind, mass-produced foldable robotic arm. In order to use the OmniGrip, users have to enable it in the Roborock companion app. It won't be activated right out of the box, but from there, they can pick which objects the Saros Z70 grabs and exactly where it puts them. At present, the RoboVac is capable of lifting 4 different kinds of objects weighing up to 300 grams: socks, paper, small towels, and sandals, with support for other types of clothing and shoes as well as pet toys in the works. The Saros Z70 is currently in mass production and slated for an April release. And while Roborock's rep couldn't tell us an exact price, they suggested that it would sell for around $2,000.